In this video, we're going to build a Notes app from scratch using Python, Flet, and MongoDB. We'll do everything step by step together. First, make sure you install the required modules using pip. Once that's ready, let's jump straight into the code. We start by importing the libraries we need. Flet handles the UI, MongoDB lets us store data, and Object ID helps us work with database IDs. Then we define our main function. Here we set the app title, adjust the window size, and enable dark mode. Finally, we run the app. Now let's run it and see what happens. You'll notice an empty window appears. That's expected, we've just created the base. Let's continue. Now we add input fields for the title and content and a column to display notes. Then we structure the layout, a header text, input fields, a button, a divider, and the notes area. Everything is wrapped neatly in a column and added to the page. Let's run it again and see what we get. Now we actually have a UI, inputs, a button, and space for notes. Still no functionality yet, but the structure is ready. Let's keep going. Now we connect to MongoDB. We create a client, select a database, and then a collection. You might be wondering where that connection address comes from. You can get it from MongoDB Compass by clicking Show Connection Info. Everything you need is there. Now comes the core logic. We define a function to add notes. It checks if both fields are filled, inserts the note into the database, clears the inputs, and reloads the notes. Then we add delete functionality. It removes a note using its ID and refreshes the list. Next is update. It finds the note by ID and updates its title and content, then reloads everything. Now this is the part where we actually display all the notes on the screen. First, we clear the notes area so we don't duplicate anything every time we reload. Then we loop through the notes coming from the database. For each note, we take its ID and create input fields filled with its title and content. This means every note is directly editable. Next, we build a card for each note. Inside it, we place the inputs and two buttons. The Save button updates the note using the current values in the fields, and the Delete button removes the note using its ID. Each card is added to the Notes column, so the UI is rebuilt dynamically based on the data. Finally, we refresh the page to show everything. So every time something changes, this function runs again and keeps the UI in sync with the database. We also call the load function once so existing notes show up when the app starts. One last thing, we connect the button to the add function. Now let's run it and see the result. First, I'm going to add a note. When I click the button, I can see the note appear instantly in the app. I can also verify this in MongoDB Compass. After hitting refresh there, the database and collection are created and the record is successfully added. Let's add one more note. Again, it shows up immediately in the app, and we can confirm it in Compass as well. Now I'm going to delete the first note. It disappears from the app right away, and if we check Compass, it's gone there too. Finally, I'll update the second note's content from content 2 to 1. When I click the Save button, we can verify the change in Compass. After refreshing, the update is successfully applied. For more Python tutorials, you can check the courses section on the channel. There are many free courses available. You can also support us by subscribing to the channel and liking the video.